think it's been about 2 weeks since I've been waiting for this package to come in, and it's been honestly, it's been a while. So, but UPS just dropped this off. But as you guys can see from the title, I just got my Maniere Jordans in, and I'm really excited to unbox this. We are going to be talking about like the late shipment, delays and whatnot, and just looking at the shoe and giving you guys my honest thoughts about the sneaker. But once again, if you guys are new here, make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you guys are new, because we're on the road to 22,000 subscribers. I greatly appreciate all the love and support. But let's get into this unboxing, man. I feel like we've definitely waited for quite some time for this shoe right here. As you guys know, I think Maniere, these drop on December 3rd, but this one was from the Maniere websites. So that was back in November. I believe it dropped in November, and I'm just now getting my sneaker in, and it's currently December 8th. So if you are one of those people out there that are still waiting for a tracking number or still waiting for your sneaker, please let me know in the comment section, because I'm actually really curious. You guys got to understand that it is a holiday season, it's Christmas season, so I definitely understand why it took a while to get here. But once again, man, as you guys can see, man, I ain't gonna lie to you guys, this is a pretty freaking heavy box, bro. This is heavy. And this has to weigh like at least 5 pounds. Like, I'm not gonna lie, bro, this is pretty heavy. But as you guys can see, shouts to Maniere, man. I finally hit retail on the Jordan 1 Maniere. I took an L on the sneakers app, but your boy ended up taking a W on the website, which is a huge W. I think Maniere has to be one of the best collaborations this year, probably the best collaboration this year with Jordan Brand, just because of their website. Like, it's super manual friendly. It was super bot protected and whatnot, and I think that's the reason why there was so much hype and so much attention to the sneaker when this dropped. The Jordan 3 Maniere dropped this year as well, and there's a lot of debate when it comes to Jordan of the year, but I'll give you guys my honest opinion once I give you guys, like, obviously see them in hand. But as you guys can see, the box right here, super luxury, I could say, when it comes to this sneaker. But and as you guys can see right here, that's pretty cool when it comes to the detailing. I just feel like when it comes to the craftsmanship and just the presentation and overall with these whole release was just executed perfectly. So shouts to Maniere and Jordan Brand. As you guys can see, man, it comes with the Maniere paper, and there is your sneaker. Let's go ahead and bring it out real quick and give you guys my honest thoughts about this sneaker. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I haven't really worn a lot of my Jordan 1 highs in quite some time, and this one is, looking at the material in hand, it definitely reminds me of the Jordan 4 taupes. The brown, the taupe, I think it was called taupe haze, taupes, whatever you guys want to call it. That ashy feeling, like right here, where like everywhere in the sneaker feels super ashy. So that definitely reminds me of that material. It's not suede, it's not nubuck, it's just, it's super grainy. I guess that's a good word to put it. It's grainy. It does give you extra laces, give you that cream laces right here, and then obviously it comes with your, you know, your burgundy maroon colorway right here. I mean, definitely a nice sneaker overall. Would I say this is Jordan of the year? Man, I don't know, that's tough to say. I don't think I would put this on my top 5, but I'll definitely put Maniere as definitely one of the top 3 best releases this year, hands down, when it comes to any manual user, manual cop. I would say when it comes to try to get through their website. I really like how the midsole gives you that off-white, you know, cream look, give you guys that, you know, vintage look as well. I'm gonna tell you guys, I feel like the 3s are a lot better than the 1s. That's just my personal opinion and my own preference. I mean, you guys let me know in the comment section, which one do you guys prefer? Do you prefer the 3s or do you prefer the 1s? And honestly, this is definitely staying in my collection just because I just feel like, once again, Maniere has done such a great job when it comes to, you know, manual users like myself trying to cop on their website, because they're super bot protected. So many people freaking copped. Once again, let me know in the comment section if you are still waiting for your shoe, man. Let me know in the comments, man. I know a lot of you guys have been DMing me consistently, commenting on the streams. Yo, Raffy, did your Manieres update? Did they ship out yet? Did you get your shoe yet? Blah, blah, blah. I finally got them in today. It's December 8th. If you guys are watching this, I'm not sure when I'm going to be posting this. Probably I'll post this today. So once again, let me know in the comment section if you guys hit or on the sneakers app, and as well as did you guys are your shoes still delayed, man? It's the holiday season, so just you know, just be patient. You'll eventually get your sneakers in. Appreciate you guys watching the video. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you guys are new, and as well as let me know if is this top 5, guys? Is this top 5 worthy of sneaker of the year? You guys let me know in the comment section below as well. But other than that, man, I'm gonna get out of here. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day and enjoy the rest of your week. I'll be live tomorrow for the Supreme box logo live cop. So I'll catch you guys on the next stream. This is RaffyCollects. I'm out of here. Peace.